Good evening, everybody, and welcome to We Inspire, a weekly interview segment with entrepreneurs. Joining me today is Mr. Karthikeyan B, the MD of Bhakta Minerals based in Chennai. They are international exporters of raw materials for ceramics and sanitary wares. He's an industry veteran with close to 30 years of experience, and he is here to share how to find your niche and how to grow. So, welcome, Karthikeyan.
Yes, good evening. Good afternoon.
Thank you, Karthikeyan, for joining us. So to get started, can you tell me how you found your niche in this industry and how you decided to stay with that?
See, I was in this field from 92, the same fields. Same fields means mineral exports. I was working with different companies. Okay.
Yeah.
But I started this company last 3 years before. See, in my experience, I decided to start the mineral business, but I should be in different compared to other exporters. See, normally other exporters will buy the material, sell it to the export market for us. He rightly said ceramic and sanitary ware industry. But I should be in different, should be niche. I should rightly say niche product, you take it as niche product or niche marketing. Okay. See, for example, if you take one of the prime mineral is feldspar. Everyone is exporting minerals. But what I am doing, I'm taking materials from the suppliers. Again, I am refining. Refining means I'm sorting the material as per customer requirement. Okay. Once, see, if I'm directly sent to the market, I'll earn more money. For example, if you take $10 profit, if again I'll do sorting, it incurs the labor, power, whatever industry people shall know, additional cost. End of the day, the $5. This $5 is enough for me as a commercially. Okay. But customer end of the day, see, customers requires quality, cost, delivery, and service. Okay. If I'm do like this in the niche product, refining, end of the day, customer will not, I'm not getting any complaints from the customers like others. So last 3 years, I proudly say without any complaint, I'm doing this business. I'm not getting any complaint from the customers. They're very happy. But even though in Corona period, I'm going 35%. So this is the way I am taking, I am learned whatever I learned merits and demerits. I'm converting it as my niche product in my product, how I grow. End of the day, my results are good. Still, I'm continuing. But this in this journey, this is not end. I have to find out some other way also to do that's a value addition to the customer. I have to do lot more.
Right. So it's a nice way of putting it. And like you said, you used your knowledge and your learning to your advantage. So this is about what you're doing now. So I'd like to ask you, initially when you set up your business, what are the challenges you faced?
See, initially I started the business. I found a little bit problem only because I have been in this industry 29 years, 30 years. I know nook and corner. Where shall I buy? Where shall I sell? I have see my customer network is through my friends, not other business promoting platform B2B like Alibaba, India Mart. Okay, to my friends, I have a contacts nearly 8 to 9 countries. I'll ask them. They'll come to me. Okay, if you go to Bhatta Minerals, you'll get a quality product. Okay, initially I struggle in the name of quality, purchase the raw material. Then I'll adopt this methodology. I'll succeed in my business. That's the tool for my success. The initial struggle only raw material quality. So I find the way, I find out the root cause analysis, what can we do to satisfy the customer, what value addition to the customer. Okay.
So you found a way to provide quality products to your customers in spite of the challenges you faced. So from this point, I'd like to shift to another area, that is, in all the difficulties and challenges you faced, how did Vakil Search help you in facing or dealing with some of those challenges?
See, initially I started my company through Vakil Search only. Okay. I come across Vakil Search through internet only. I went to Vakil Search office. I discussed with people who guided me in Vakil Search. They guided me properly. So what are the basic requirements and what I have to provide to get my statutory records from government. They have given the clear checklist. These are all the requirements. If you give this requirement with the stipulated time, they have given the frame. this this certificate will come 2 weeks time. For example, this will come 1 week. This will go 2 weeks. So I think within 1.5 months, in my memory, if I completed within 1 month, I can say I completed all my records. What I required to continue start the business. So I registered on I think April. May I started the business exports. So Vakil, I am appreciating Vakil said they guided me properly. Whatever because I am new to the business, even though I have a experience techno commercial, but the strategies are very new to me how to start. But they guided they means Vakil says guided me properly within a month. I think in my memory, May I started the business export market.
All right, Karthikeyan, that's certainly a wonderful feedback. Thank you for that. So moving on, I wanted to ask you, based on all your learning so far, how have you approached sales and marketing of your company? And what would you say are the best way to approach sales and marketing, especially someone who's starting their business?
See, in my company, I am handling sales or marketing. Okay, I am handling. First thing in marketing, we need patience. Without patience, we cannot achieve anything in whatever the business, even Vakil sales also. Okay, whatever the field,
Sure.
in auditing field, whatever patience is very important. Okay, see, if I send you inquiry, next day I will not get the today I'm getting inquiry. If I send the offer, tomorrow I will not get the order. But we have to provide to our strength. Strength means not the physical strength, product strength. We have to explain the product strength to the customer. What I explained before, this is the way I will give you a product to you. Others are giving this option A. I am giving option B. This is value addition to the same price. You give me if I'm doing any value addition to you, don't give any extra price. The same price, I'll give it to you. But I'll confirm you will not get any complaint. Everything my responsibility. This is the way, and patience, very important. We have to talk with the product, not talk with the tongue. That's very important in market. Then you will succeed.
Don't talk with your mouth, talk with your product. I'll certainly remember that. So that's a wonderful statement to make, and brilliant advice for everyone out there. And with that, let's move on to the final question. That is, what are your future plans for your business, and how are you planning to take the business forward?
See, in business, as rightly said, everyone says Corona, Corona, Corona. I am thinking in Corona. I'm not getting business in Corona. I can say that's a false statement. First, compared to 18, 19, 19, 20, 3 years I have seen. In Corona period also, if you continuously touch with your customers, continuously support your customers, continuously give value addition to your customer, definitely they will not leave you. That's very important. Okay, yeah, whatever the field, even I can say agriculture field, whatever the field, export field, this is the slogan, my slogans. Continuously touch with the customer, whether you have a business or not, you just discuss with them and continuously support them in technical aspects, what are the commercial aspect or the product or samples what they require. Continue to talk to them. Do you require any value addition? Are you doing any R&D in your company? Do you want any expertise? Do you want any samples? This is my way. I'll talk to continuously my customer list, make it checklist. I'll talk to them. So end of the day, oh, fine day, Karthik, I need this product. Do you have that product? Certainly I have that product. I'll do that. So this is a new business. Okay. And this another way we take this in Corona. This is the one way. Another. See, the growing part. But I am very skeptical in my business. I don't want to go beyond. Okay. Whatever the P&L, you know very well, you are auditor. Okay. I don't want to explain more. I'm not going to the bank. Okay. I'm not seeking the loan in the bank. I'm not going OD. Even bankers are pressurizing me based on my bank balance, what they are seeing. Why can't you expand your business? Why can't you do more business? You have a very good orders. I said, business is there. Whatever, without any bank loan, if I do business, I'm a very good businessman. Maybe I may be wrong. This is my philosophy. I may be wrong. I'm telling you, I may be wrong. whatever the profit, what I am learning, the same profit should be rotated in the business.
Mm.
Point number one. Same. If I satisfy the same industry, what I am servicing to the customers, if I satisfied with the customer, then only I am going to the next customer. For example, A, B, C, continuously for last 3 years I'm supplying. I don't have any last 3 years. I don't have any complaint. I'm regularly getting the order. They are not seeking other suppliers in India or around the world. Our full order I am getting. Then only I have to think about D customer.
Mm.
D, maybe marketing. I can say marketing. I'll go to, without satisfying the existing customer, what is the meaning I'm going to next market?
Right.
I have to sustain my business first. Whatever, for example, 50 lakhs I'm monthly doing, I have to satisfy the customers first. Without satisfy them, if I'm going to next customer, my concentration will be loose.
Mm.
So, first year, I service 2 customers.
Mm.
First financial years. Next, first 2 customer, only 2 products. Next strategy, second year, I service 4 customers, 6 products. In Corona period, I service, I think, nearly 9 to 10 customers, maybe 7 products. My next year, last 3 years, I am seeing everyone is satisfied with my quality, cost. As initially I told you, quality, cost, delivery, end of the day service. Now 4, they are satisfied. Now this next financial year, I'll add my 2 customers and maybe 1 or 2 products. This is my strategy to increase the value or volume. Hope I understand. I hope I have given your answer to your question.
Sure, Karthikeyan. Thanks a lot. And we appreciate you taking the time to participate in this interview process. So from all of us here at Vakil Search, we wish you and your team the very best in all your future endeavors. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for your Vakil Search support. Obviously, without Vakil Search support, I cannot grow. I cannot do business because they have part of my life, business life. Thanks for the Vakil Search help. Thank you. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thanks for spending with you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.